Hi, my name is Daniel, and today I want to show you the progress I made running SNES 9X on the Pico Held 2, RP2350 edition that is. So for those who don't know, this version of the Pico Held 2 is built around a Raspberry Pi RP2350 microcontroller and has 8 megabytes of PS RAM attached to it. I created a simple user interface for basic tasks such as loading and saving game states, choosing ROMs which are then loaded into PS RAM, volume and brightness control, along some other settings like an FPS counter and configuring frame drop behavior. It will also manage the battery and inform you about a critical battery state so you can safely save your progress before the machine shuts down. It also has some nice graphical treats, like check out these neat scrolling file names. Less demanding titles like Ghouls and Ghosts usually run at a frame rate between 30 and 50 frames per second, while more demanding games like The Lion King or Lost Vikings might occasionally drop to 20 frames per second and below. Still, most games are perfectly playable. The ESP32P4 version usually is a bit more performant. In some games like Super Mario Kart, the difference is clearly noticeable. Here's a close-up of the super high-res screen. Every pixel is made up of 9 individual display pixels, and that gives you a super crisp, pixelated look. So I know I've been saying this for quite a while now, but the Pico Held 2 is now finally in a state where I'm very close to publishing the design files. I'll plan to do so within the next month. I've already ordered some PCBs of the ESP32P4 version, and if you're interested, you can order them from me or have them manufactured yourself. If you get curious, just take a peek into my GitHub repo, link is in the description below. And if you're interested in buying a PCB from me, just drop me a line. You'll find my email in my GitHub repo and most of the header files. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.